Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into beauty products to help you make informed choices. Today, we're reviewing the Dovo INOX 415835 German Straight Razor. This sleek, stainless steel razor features a 5/8 size, full hollow ground, and a round point, all housed in a luxurious ebony wood handle. Whether you're a grooming enthusiast or a straight razor aficionado, this review will give you the full rundown on how it performs. The Dovo INOX 415835 razor is crafted in Germany, known for its premium razor craftsmanship, and designed to provide an exceptional shaving experience. With a 5/8" blade width, it's a perfect balance between precision and ease of use, making it great for both beginners and seasoned users. The blade itself is made from high-quality stainless steel, promising durability and a sharp edge. It's fully hollow ground, which means it's designed for a smooth, clean shave with a thinner, more flexible blade. The round point ensures a safe, controlled shave, reducing the risk of nicks, which is especially helpful for those new to straight razors. The ebony wood handle adds a touch of elegance and comfort, making this razor both functional and stylish. Now, let's talk about the real-world experience of using this razor. As someone who's used a variety of razors, I can confidently say that the Dovo INOX lives up to its reputation. The handle is solid and feels comfortable in the hand, with just the right amount of weight for precision control. The razor glides smoothly over the skin, and the full hollow ground blade provides that signature close shave without tugging or discomfort. One of the standout features is how well it holds its edge. Even after several uses, the blade remains sharp and the shave stays smooth, but it's not without its considerations. Straight razors by nature require a little more skill and patience than your average safety razor or electric shaver. If you're not used to the technique, there's a learning curve. Additionally, this razor requires regular maintenance, honing and stropping to maintain that perfect edge. The razor also needs to be properly dried and cared for to avoid any rusting, especially since it's made from stainless steel. But these are standard practices with high-end straight razors, and part of the appeal for enthusiasts who appreciate craftsmanship. When it comes to the pros and cons, here's the breakdown. Pros: high-quality stainless steel construction ensures durability and sharpness. The full hollow ground design provides a smooth, efficient shave. The round point makes it a safer option for beginners. Luxurious ebony wood handle offers comfort and style, holds its edge well with proper maintenance. Cons: requires regular upkeep, honing, stropping. Learning curve for those new to straight razors. Price might be a bit high for casual shavers or beginners. In terms of value for money, the Dovo INOX is certainly an investment. While it comes with a higher price tag, you're getting a razor that's built to last and offers a superior shave compared to many alternatives. If you're someone who values precision, quality, and the ritual of straight razor shaving, this product offers good value for the money. There are other options in the market, but if you're looking for a top-tier German-made straight razor, Dovo is hard to beat. Alternatives like the Parker SR1 straight razor or the Boker straight razor might offer similar features at a lower price point, but they don't quite match the craftsmanship of the Dovo INOX. If you're a beginner or looking for something a bit more affordable, those might be better suited to your needs, though they may not have the same longevity or performance. Now let's talk about build quality. The materials used in this razor are premium, and the attention to detail is evident. The stainless steel blade is expertly crafted to provide a long-lasting edge, and the ebony wood handle adds a refined touch that's not only stylish, but also ergonomic. You can tell this is a razor that's built to endure years of use, with proper care. As for longevity, this razor is meant to last a lifetime if maintained properly. With regular stropping and honing, the blade will stay sharp for a long time. The build quality of the handle ensures that it won't crack or warp with time, making this an investment piece for those who appreciate high-quality grooming tools. In terms of customer support, Dovo has a strong reputation for quality products and excellent customer service. If you do run into any issues, their support team is responsive, and their products are often covered by warranties, which adds peace of mind to your purchase. So to wrap up, the Dovo INOX 415835 German straight razor is a top-tier product that delivers precision, quality, and durability. It's perfect for those who are serious about their shaving routine and appreciate the craft of straight razors. However, it's not necessarily suited for beginners looking for a simple, low-maintenance option. If you're looking for an investment in your grooming routine, this razor is definitely worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.